So, is the VALTINSU EM5 Pro electric dirt bike actually worth your money? Let's find out. After checking out the specs and real-world riding impressions, I have to say, the EM5 Pro looks surprisingly capable for its price. It packs a 60-volt system with up to 4,800 watts of peak power, a claimed top speed of around 50 miles per hour, and larger 17-inch front and 14-inch rear wheels that make it feel more like a proper dirt bike than a toy. On the trail, the biggest strength is definitely the torque. Riders report strong acceleration, good hill climbing ability, and plenty of punch in the highest power mode. The hydraulic brakes and full suspension setup are also nice features for a bike in this category. That said, it's not perfect. The bike is on the heavier side, and some riders mention that the suspension feels a bit firm over rough terrain. It's also more of a budget-friendly option, so don't expect Sur-Ron-level refinement. Overall, if you want a fast, fun electric dirt bike without spending premium money, the VALTINSU EM5 Pro looks like a solid value. I'd call it a thumbs up for riders looking for performance on a budget.